This video will be about 404 pages, which are useful for providing the user with a clear indication that what they're looking for does not exist. Let's take a look at our sample application for an example. Here we're looking at a page with a single post at the bottom. When we click on that post, we're taken to the page with more information. Now let's say some time passes and the user who wrote this post deletes it. If we saved this URL and came back at a later point in time, we would see a loading experience as the application tries to fetch the post, but this time, because the post was deleted, we should get an experience that lets us know it could no longer be found. The challenge here is making sure that components can clearly discover when a request returns a 404, because blank pages and loaders that spin forever are both terrible user experiences. To illustrate this, we're going to start our example with a loading experience in the application where we've already invoked the action creator to fetch our post. So diving into our component, we have something like this. Since we're currently fetching the post, the model's state is going to be fetching, and we'll show the fetching experience on the right. Now sometime later, our fetch request comes back, but we get a 404 from the server telling us the post doesn't exist. So our action creator is going to take that not found response and fire an action. And in this case, the action will contain a state signifying that the post could not be found. And once the store updates and our app re-renders, the component will see that the state changed, and instead of showing the loading experience, it can render a 404 page instead. So in review, 404 pages are important because users should know when resources can't be found, and it's a poor user experience to show blank pages or have loaders that spin forever. The core challenge is communicating to components when resources can't be found, and the approach that Lore follows is detecting 404 responses and setting the model's state to not found.